Hello students, welcome to Microbiology PYQ series. Today's most important topic is autoclave. Autoclave is frequently asked as a LAQ. So we will prepare the material according to LAQ. If by chance you get it as a SAQ, you should reduce the matter and adjust accordingly. So what is the introduction? You might be knowing that autoclave is the most commonly used method of sterilization in microbiology laboratories and hospital. The basic funda is it uses moist heat under pressure. This is the keyword, moist heat under pressure, to destroy all microorganisms, including spores. Disinfection does not work on spores. Autoclave sterilization works on spores also. So, what is the definition? Autoclave is a device that sterilizes material using saturated steam under pressure. What are the principle? Moist heat under pressure causes coagulation and denaturation of proteins, leading to destruction of microorganisms and bacterial spores. You, whenever you are understanding a difficult topic or confusing topics, one thing you should do is ask yourself question. So here, what you need to ask is, what is moist heat? Why is moist heat different than a simple heat? Because moist heat under pressure causes coagulation and denaturation of proteins. It simply breaks down the proteins of the microorganisms, which leads to their destruction. And this process is so strong that it even works on bacterial spores. Whereas we all know that bacterial spores are highly resistant to any type of destruction activity. What are the standard conditions? They are simple mnemonic: 120, 15, 15. Okay, temperature is 120, 121 degrees centigrade, pressure 15 psi, and time it takes 15 minutes. So 120, 1, 15, 15, just remember it and write it. What is the structure of autoclave? Only write the structure if it comes as a LAQ. It consists of an outer chamber which has a strong metal body to withstand pressure. It has an inner chamber which holds material to be sterilized. There is lid with locking system which prevents steam leakage. There is pressure gauge which measures internal pressure. And along with the pressure gauge, there is a safety valve which relieves excess pressure. Otherwise, what will happen? Autoclave will burst. Also, there is steam outlet valve which removes air before sterilization. How does it work? See, materials are arranged loosely to allow steam circulation. The lid is closed and steam is allowed to enter. Air is removed through outlet valve, which is very important. Otherwise, steam under pressure principle would not work. When the pressure reaches 15 psi, timing starts. So, when the process has been completed, we allow the pressure to fall naturally before opening. Otherwise, there can be chances of mishap. What are the other uses? Sterilization of culture media is done using this. Sterilization of surgical instruments. Sterilization of dressing and laboratory glassware. Basically, anything which comes routinely in the contact of skin or blood, we need to sterilize it. We don't need any pathogens on it. Also, sometimes we use it for biomedical waste treatment. What are the sterilization indicators? There are three: physical indicators, chemical indicators, and biological indicators. Physical indicator was used for pressure gauge reading. Chemical indicators, we use autoclave tape, if the color changes when the process has been completed. And there's biological indicator, which is Bacillus stereothermophilus spores. Simply, we take a card, we put spores on that, and when the autoclave has run its course, we see if this spores are destroyed, that means the autoclave has been successful. What are the advantages? It is very reliable and effective. It kills spores, and it's much faster than dry heat sterilization because it takes very less time, only 15-20 minutes. What are the limitation? Because there is moist heat and that too at a higher temperature, we cannot sterilize heat sensitive materials like plastics. Powders and oils cannot be sterilized by moist heat. Okay, so what is the conclusion? See, autoclave is the most effective and commonly used method of moist heat sterilization, and you need to write all these steps. Okay, this topic has been covered. Very important topic, would be asked as a SAQ or LAQ. So do it properly. Thank you.